Very happy festivity to all of you. And here we are online live on Instagram and Facebook. So let me see on this festival day and this beautiful weekend and this beautiful rainy season, unexpectedly rainy season in Bengaluru. How many of you there come? Okay, so here we have Aspired Future, Mr. Sharath joining us. We have Akshay, Aishu. Okay, Aishu, Simran, Simu. Okay, Ariana, Aritu, love you so much. And Kushal Chaudhary is first on Facebook commenting. You have joined up. Hi Manisha. Hi Anuj. मेरा कार्तूस भी आ गया. So guys, I think there's been quite a time I have come on online live with all of you, and today is going to be a phenomenal live. I'm going to share something very. Hi Madhu. Hey Madhu, somehow plan kar lo. I know I've changed the date for Wandering Monks, but do make it. I know you'll manage. And I have something amazing to share with all of you today. Two important part of today's live online will be there. One, I'm going to share something which you really will appreciate, as you always do it. Hi Vishal, happy Dasara to you. Hi Mati ma'am, happy Dasara to all of you too. Hi Faji, Balla Balla, Rishi. Hi Neetu, hi Rupal. See you tomorrow evening Pakka at your place. So, as I promised on my 50th birthday, I'll be visiting people and visiting families and spending some lovely time with you. Hachimaji, Budrosa, lovely so much. Hi Mithun, waiting to see you tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to spend some nice personal family time with Lakhani family. So I'll be there and glad they are there on the live today. And all of you also. So I did two parts of today's live online with all of you. One is something we really appreciate about. It will help you a lot. And second thing that is the most exciting part of this live is from this online live onwards, I think very regularly, we will be having some sort of context. Happy New Year. Hi, Arvind Dhariwal, क्या बात है इतना सालों के बाद देख रहे थे नाम देखने मजा आ गया. I believe all of you are doing very well. Today we have this Jewels of India exhibition B2C starting in Bangalore. I think a lot of them from my world are participating there. All the best, do well, sell more money, sell more products and make more money for this festival. Hi Vico from Hyderabad. Hi Lena, it's been ages. Please my home next. Only Sampurna participants only in my world for me, and in that world only I'll be there. And that too who are those regularly. They are the people where I will be going. No random dropping in anybody's house. Don't feel bad. But those people who I see are growing with me, through me, from me, by me, are the people where I'll be continue to keep meeting them at their places. So, hi Nirmala, love you so much. So, दो बातें आज. Hi Usha. One is the second part is the contest that I'll be launching today. And my contest is not going to be like Kaun Banega Crorepati. Okay, I'll give you MCQ and you have to pick up one of the four choice answer. And hi Priya, I think Surat will be doing very well, seeing all of you there. Hi KK, Udaipur, nice Surat, Hyderabad, nice cities are there with us. Hi Vidya, love you so much, love you. Hi Hema, love you so much. So this context will be all live situations. Once again, somebody coming live with us here. I'll just check who is getting. Viku coming on live. Okay, Viku, I have you and am inviting you to join me on live with right now in Hyderabad. So I told him, you Hyderabadi become Hyderabadi also sometimes. All Hyderabad become Hyderabad. So yeah, we have Viku. So I'm going to start online live-based situation contest, and where I will be explaining the best answer, best solution. I came for it. How do you feel? Do you think you want to be part of it? Because it's not going to be a GK general knowledge, who is the president of that country, and not something which has nothing to do with your life and my life. But not even a question, but a situation where there is a very logical answer or very creative answer or very hutky answer which actually can work in your favor. So something like this, I'm going to start from today online context. So how do you feel? And now you're not in Bangalore here, you are there in Hyderabad with your family, enjoying, celebrating the pride, enjoying the pride. So, Kailash, would you want to participate? Have you
Uh,
got,
Definitely, sir. I want to participate. First thing is like I'm very excited for today's live because always we have to take care of the live, but there's no chance I can come on live, and this time I have, and I wanted to make the most out of it. First of
Hmm.
all, very happy Dasara. First thing. Second thing is we have a lot of opportunities to get in touch with you nowadays. I was just thinking on it.
And in the
First thing
meantime,
is
I'm adding Usha on Facebook live video. I
yes.
just invited her. Let's see if she joins in. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
So we have a lot of forums where we can connect with you. First thing is, a lot of people when they feel life is not going okay, you can say, "Chill, bro. We have Sampurna." And when a lot of people say, "Ki I'm not having a kickstart day to my life or my day," you can say, "Okay, bro. Don't worry. We have 9 minutes motivation." So there are so many forums that you have created. You are making the best use of technology, getting in touch with people. And now you're using this opportunity of taking live because you being such a busy person, it's not easy to get your time or come in touch with you. I would say a lot of people can make the most out of this opportunity coming in live with you and share some time with you. And I'm really excited for the contest also because you're creating another forum where we can get more excited. There's so much excitement in life already, but still, yes, we have some more thing to come here. I'm very excited, sir. Looking forward to participate for sure.
Yeah, yeah. I just wanted to ask you one thing that whenever I come online live, except one or two people, a lot of them hesitate to come on live. Is it that they are scared that their photo will be or the video will go public and then they will be trolled or something? Is that the reason they don't come on the live, or they just like to see my pretty face, handsome face, and then say "Bas itna hi bas hai," and they don't want to interact on the platform like this because other places it's very difficult for people to interact because it is not possible all the time. But something like Instagram live online, like how we both are talking, it's almost like we are talking as if we are talking in front of each other. But so many times I have seen in
Absolutely.
online, people find it so I don't know, they're reluctant or they're hesitant or they're scared or they think waste of time talking to this guy. What do you think would be a reason for this? Now we have two more people wanting to go online video with me. So one is Tanish and one is Nikhil Abhishek. I don't know. We'll just check it out. Hmm.
Yes.
What do you say?
So I would say the second one, sir. I think you look too adorable and just keep looking at you. Because I think this is one of the best forums.
Diplomatically put answer.
Yeah, I would say because using this kind of an opportunity to interact with you would be the best
Hmm.
because you bring your time for us, you give your time, you make your time for us coming live like this. So I think it is
Hmm.
going to be the best if people can make the most out of it. Almost like I'm feeling I'm having a video call with you very
Absolutely.
personally. Other people are also watching. So I think this is
Well,
the best forum if
ठीक है.
people can come out of their hesitation and talk. It's,
Okay.
it's, it's going to make their day for sure.
ठीक है. I'm going to invite. Next is Nikhil Abhishek. I'm inviting you to join me on video. Viku. Let's see what
Yes,
does he have to say and share with me.
sure. Sure.
Guys, stay tuned with me because I'm going to speak two things. So one is going to be something very life changing to all of you, and second is going to be that contest that we are going to launch today. And I want all of you to be a party to that whole thing. It's going to be even knowing the situation of life itself is going to be very exciting for all of you. So stay tuned. I just want to see Nikhil Abhishek. Okay, hi Nikhil Abhishek. Whether you're Nikhil or you're Abhishek,
Hi,
hi dude.
both.
You're both.
Hi.
Nikhil also, Abhishek also. Okay. Tell,
Yes,
so how do you feel being online live
yes.
with me right now?
Feeling good.
Feeling good. So,
Hello.
so how do you
Yes.
relate with me? What is the best thing you have enjoyed with your experience with me? It is learnings or it is what? How do you connect?
Sir, this is the first time I'm meeting you.
You are first time you're meeting me.
1 minute. Hello.
Can you hear me, Nikhil? I can barely hear you and see you. फिर कोई बात नहीं. Okay, we have Tanish with us. Let's see. Tanish, join me online live. Then I will share the two things, and all of you hold on, because your attention span is just reducing so much. Little I take a break here and there, or things go a little slower. You people just want to go off the life and stay, develop your patience, attention span, stay focused with me. Just last I talked to Tanish, and then we'll launch both the things and discuss with you. Tanish, can you hear me? I see network issue at your end or my end. I don't know. Bad network. I know. No, it's raining very, very, very heavily in around me also. It must be raining everywhere around you people also here in Bangalore. But just we can just stay for a moment here. Anything can be done about it, no? Okay, just give me. I think Tanish, I will wait for you to come in again. We'll see what to do. Okay, how to remove this? Okay. Okay, just give me a thumbs up if you're able to listen to me, hear me, and see me properly. So I will continue. You got disconnected, right? I know, and network is bad. So till you just give me some thumbs up that you are able to see me or hear me. I will just wait for a moment. So if you're able to see me, if you're still online, I will share one thing. So okay, Viku, I'll get you online. Here we get Vivek go live with. Okay, Kushal Chaudhary. Thank you, Kushal. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Sharad, for giving the thumbs up. Thank you, Devi. Thank you, Kalyani. Okay, I got it. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Viku, you want to say something again?
Yes, sir. I just got disconnected. One thing I again realize is like this live, what interaction happens is like a personal touch. One thing I realized is I just took a screenshot of this live. It's like a personal photography that I have with you, which is like you're responding. I can screen record or something. So this, I think, is one of the
Okay.
best opportunity if you know how to make the most out of technology. Having a smartphone, this is actually the best. Otherwise, I think you're just having a smartphone, keeping quiet, you're not doing anything, then I think you're not making the most out of it at all. And having
Absolutely.
some time with you is like making my day. I'm so excited. I don't know what's happening. I'm jumping in my chair.
The
This is
basic
awesome.
idea is giving to all of us is you can just come online live with me, and not only you can, I can take selfie with all of you. You also can take a selfie with me, and then we can say, okay, we both were together online live. Because okay, today I'm still going to still a little not on a big level playing, but within some time I'll be there on a very big platform, and that time you can actually display. Oh, that's the person, that deeper somebody. No, I have been online live with him so many times. Look at my selfie, so you can take a lot of selfies with me coming on online. So good idea. Thank you for the suggestion. Thank you so much. So I'm going to take one selfie with this guy. Can we take a selfie with this guy? So right now I'm taking selfie with. Here we go. Right. Yeah, okay. So I have selfie. Okay. Okay. So here goes the very important thing that I will share with you. Two things. First part right now. So those of you who are aware, I run Kingdom College, and those of you who are not aware, we also have a college called the Kingdom College for PU, that is Junior College and Degree College. And it's an amazing college, the happiest college ever you can be in, the most exciting college, very eventful college on a regular basis. So guys, it happens like that. In one of the classroom, one student plays a prank on a piece of paper, writes down, I am stupid. On a piece of white paper, writes down, I am stupid, and sticks it on the back of one boy, and tells everybody in the classroom to keep it a secret and not tell everybody, not tell anybody. So after some time, mathematics teacher walks into the class and start teaching, and they ask one question. Okay. Tap here to scroll down the screen. Okay. So yeah, somebody wants to come live. I'll just wait. I will just complete this part. I want you to focus as a student right now to learn from me. But there is some small error here on my screen. Can you do something about it? Okay, here we go. Yeah. So we have one inviting. Okay, Hema Vikram. Oh, Hema Vikram, you are there. Hema, 2 minutes सुन लो पहले मैं जो बोलने वाला हूँ. Then I will get you on the live. I really want to talk to you and listen to you. I'll tell you also why. So they put this sticker, that the paper, I'm stupid, behind the back of this boy. And as the mathematics teacher comes, he starts teaching. Then the mathematics teacher asks a question, and in the entire class, nobody has the answer. And this boy on whose back, which he's not aware of it, is ignorant that there's a sticker behind his back that I'm stupid, raises his hands and stands up to answer the question. And as he stands up, everybody starts laughing, and he goes on the stage and solves the entire question on the blackboard. And as he's solving, everybody's smiling. And then even teacher realizes that behind the boy's back, a sticker is put, I am stupid. So the boy does not know why everybody is laughing at him and how this all happened. But he solved the entire thing. After he solves and he turns back to face the boy, for all the students, everybody is having that laughter on their face. He's little feeling very embarrassed why what happened. Then the mathematics teacher looks at the entire class and says, and then looks at the boy and says, it seems somebody has put a sticker on your back saying, I'm stupid. And it seems everybody was told how to tell you and keep it a secret. So when you walked up to here, everybody was laughing because everybody was seeing this, that you're unaware you kept on doing this. And he said, before I give punishment to all of you, the teacher looked at the class and said, I will tell all of you two things. One, as you grow in life, world will keep putting labels behind you. They'll talk about you, they will gossip about you, they'll pass remarks about you. And as you grow in life, there will be people, the world will keep putting labels behind you. This boy, because he was ignorant about that somebody has put that sticker that I'm stupid behind him, because he was unaware and ignorant about it, and he did not know about it. So he raised the hand and walked to the aisle and came on the stage and solved the answer, entire question with a perfect answer. Had he known that somebody has played that prank on him, he wouldn't have come. Because he was ignorant and unaware, he came. Similarly, if you continue to keep growing in life, keep working about your life, and keep progressing in life, if you remain unaware and ignorant and overlook or ignore by choice what the world speaks about you behind you, you can continue to go and do great things in life. But know very well that as you grow in life, as you keep walking ahead of everybody, the world will put stickers, labels behind you. And if you're aware of it, most people, because they are aware of it, they kind of ignore it, they stop growing in life. And those people who turn a blind eye towards it by choice, ignore it by choice, continue to be go-getters in life and achievers in life. This is the first thing I want to tell all of you, the teacher said. Then he looks up to the boy and says, it seems you don't have a single good friend in your life, in this classroom. Because nobody was willing to tell you that there is something bad written about you behind you. It's a world where if you have, it doesn't matter how many friends you have, how many people you have in life, but you need one friend who can stand by you, stand with you, stand behind you, take care of your back. And if something is bad about you, dirty about you, you should be able to say, boss, there is not something not okay about you, take care of it, work upon it and move forward. It seems you don't have a single friend in the classroom. So I want to tell all of you this, boys and girls, should have friends who can be with you, who can take care of your back. But if you don't have any one of them, it doesn't matter how many you have. It is better to stand alone in life. It is better to be alone in life and fight your war, and fight your life, or fight in case there's something to fight for. Not otherwise. It's okay. It's not worth having friends. If you don't even have one friend who can take care of your back and stand your back. So my dear friends, if you have understood something from what I spoke, which I think is a part of all our lives, we all go with this problem in life. And I don't think any one of you here is free from that. You have been labeled, whatever, it is always labeled wrongly, badly, perceptions of theirs, remarks of theirs. If you think something which I shared right now, if it makes some sense, maybe come online with me and share whatever you feel about it. Or if you have experience like that, I would love to see so many of them help. So here I'm going to take somebody who can come online with me. So Hema, I wanted to talk to you. So Hema, here we are getting going on. So I'm inviting Hema Vikram. After ages, I'm going to see this pretty lady and we will talk to her. Hema, I'm very excited to see if you're joining with me and getting online with me. So yeah, in the meantime, if you people have something to ask, talk, share with me here, because after this I'm going to launch that contest online, that live based. So I think Gopal Kankaniji, I had you, but I think by mistake may have put on the Pukas Abadia. So if you want to come and chat with me, you can please log in again, or you can please send the request. Hema, if you are still there, please do join in. Otherwise, okay, I don't have a request. I think Hema could not wait for 2-3 minutes to talk. It's okay, no issue. Any one of you, you think what I shared right now, does it really make any sense to you, or no, it just thank you for the message, Kalyani. Okay, okay. Oh, Gauri Hegde. Okay, thank you, Gauri. Thank you so much. Okay, here we want. So we have Hema Vikram. Hema, I'm calling you again. So let's have Hema Vikram after years together. Maybe a decade later, I'm going to see. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for your sharing, Ritu. And we have Hema here. Hi, Hema.
Yes,
Kya
sir.
baat hai?
Love you so much.
Love you
Deepak sir,
too.
the first
Tell
time
me.
I'm meeting you.
अरे क्या, network is still tricky. थोड़ा नेटवर्क में थोड़ा आगे पीछे होना है क्या?
Can you hear me?
हेमा,
Can you hear me?
हाँ थोड़ा नेटवर्क स्लो हो गया. आई थिंक सो. Getting stuck in between and coming.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Are you able to see me properly, or you also have
Yes,
something from your
I'm
side?
able to see you. But can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Go on.
Loving you so much. Happy evening. Happy Dashera.
Love you too. Happy evening.
Yes, sir. And the morning 9 minutes motivation was very means it was really great. I understood that means Rama's thing, and I understood so much about this, and I felt so means touching, and it was really great talk. It's
Thank you so much.
very much touching, and it's the first time I'm meeting you, sir.
Me
Yes,
too.
sir.
I think I was expecting some other Hema Vikram, so I thought you are that Hema Vikram whom I taught almost 10-12 years, but I think you're a new Hema Vikram. But
No,
anyway,
it's the first
welcome
time I
to
joined you,
my
sir.
world of inspiration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stay in touch, continue to keep going. And I just now told that I'm going to make an announcement of a contest for all of you. So will you be looking forward to be a part of the contest and learn out of it and share your growth with me?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to, you want to be a part of the contest?
Not
Can
able
you
to
hear
hear
me,
you,
Hema?
sir.
Not able to
I'm
hear
not
me?
able to
कोई
hear
बात
you.
नहीं.
Yeah, yes, sir. Now I can able to hear you, sir.
Okay, so you'll look forward to the contest on live contest with me.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so let's start the first contest for all of you. Thank you for joining in, Hema. Stay in touch.
Thank you
Either
so
you
much, sir. Thank you so much.
be a part of Sampurna in the night, 9 o'clock, because Sampurna is the most amazing thing that can happen to your life or your holistic well-being. So we have one Maddie, Tejas, huh? Okay, I'll just launch the contest for all of you, because few of you can't wait for too long on this. Then I will see how many of you still want to be online live with me, and we'll have a chat with all of you. Okay. So I'm going to give you a situation, absolutely life situation, which all of you will now and then will definitely go through in your life, and how do you respond to it, and what is the best thing you can do. And of course, we will be announcing the online live context winner, and you will have something. Those of you who don't know, very recently I got into a new kind of doing things for my team. So those of you winners will be getting some personalized gifts, rewards, awards from me, which I will make it personally by adding some value to it. I'm just giving you showing some whatever I have in my hand right now. So something personalized reward and awards will be given to you for your answer if it is perfect answer for a situation. The story goes like this, my dear friends. So there was this village in Rajasthan where there was a marriage fixed between one boy and a girl. Of course, it's always a boy and a girl, but to be more specific nowadays. So there was this marriage fixed between one boy and a girl, and near different villages. So the girl's side were very smart and little crooked people. So they say, let the Bharat come to our village and we will give you everything, whatever you have asked for and whatever understanding is there. But our only condition is no elderly person will be in the Bharat. It will be all youngsters only, and there will be no elderly person in the Bharat. So they said, what is this strange request? This is, but tickets, so nothing to lose in the process. So we are getting what you want to have it. So the boys' side said, okay, we are okay with this. So on the previous day of the Bharat, they're supposed to leave from the village in different tractors and trucks and trailers. So one old man from the boys said, no, I also want to come. Please take me. It is going to be my, I don't know when I'll be alive. I might be dying very soon. I don't want to miss your marriage. You're the last person in the house to be getting married. Maybe my last marriage to attend. And somehow what to do, what not to do. So they put him into a trunk and put that old man into a trunk so nobody will come to know that this old man also joined the Bharat. So the Bharat reaches next day morning to the girls' village, and in the small choultry where they're supposed to stay, they stayed, got up in the morning. And before the Bharat is supposed to start to go to the Kalyan Mandapa nearby, and the Bharat goes on the horse, the boy will go on the horse, the groom will go on the horse. So as the Bharat was about to start from there, they get a message from the girl's side that we have one request and only we'll give the girl to you, otherwise we will not do. So what is the request? He said there is a river which goes to the entire village. So right now the river is going through in the entire village. If you can make that river into milk river, दूध की नदी, अभी यहाँ पे पानी की नदी बहती है. It's a river right now filled with water which goes. So if we can make that as milk river, if we can add all the milk into that, and if it becomes milk river or milky river, not looking like milk but actually milk river, then only we will give the girl to you, otherwise we will not give the girl to you. Now boys' sides become very upset and said, what nonsense, what is this? They're playing games with us or what? After bringing here, who does something like this? And this is very unreasonable. It is impossible. How can you make a river into a milk river? All these things. So I said, we are not interested to get married. We are taking the girl back. If you don't want to give the girl, you say straight away, tell them, don't come and marry the girl here. Why would you do some drama like this? So the boys are very upset about it. They try to pack up the entire thing. And this old man who was in the trunk, he just came out to get ready for hiding somewhere. He's going to attend the entire marriage. He said, why are you going back? This is my last marriage. They said this has all happened and these people are telling blah, 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 blah. Now they want this whole river which is going through the village to make it into a milk river. Pani ki nadi ko doodh ki nadi bana do. How it is possible? They simply don't want to give the girl and blah. So we are going back. Old man said, somehow with all that drama I come here. Now I don't want to go like this. You tell. Do one thing. You go and tell. We will make it into milk river. हम इस पानी की नदी को दूध की नदी बना देंगे. So you go and tell. I will tell you how to make it into milk river. People say, are you crazy? How do you do that? The old man said, no, I am very clear. So many years of experience of living with people, and I know I can do that. Yes, go and tell. We will do that. So the boy's side goes and tells the girl's side, okay, done. We will get the entire river into milk river. So get ready for the girl. Get the girl ready. We are coming and getting married. And what way was told to the girl's side by the boy's side people shook them to the core. And the girl's side people ask, by any chance, have you brought any elderly person or old man from your village? because this kind of solution only can come from people who have experience in life. So the context for all of you is that what was the answer given by that elderly man, old man, which got the marriage clicked, and that old man saw the last marriage of his life before he died. So what would be the answer? And that is the context for all of you. Don't say the answer right now. All of you can start posting your comments. You can start reading. So after everyone, all of you have posted on Facebook and Instagram. I'll go to the entire thing. And the answer which I am expecting, or the answer that old man gave, it matches with your answer. Then you get an personalized gift, award, reward, whatever you call expression from my side for your brilliant thought process, because these kind of moments keep coming in life. So we have Viku, again you're coming here, but you have to wait. We'll get Naveen Gupta online. So all of you have understood the question, then do write comments here, and I'm inviting Naveen Gupta from Nail Mangala, I think so. And then a small chat, and Viku, I'll get to you also on the line. So Facebook people are very, very slow, dull. Hi Naveen, happy evening, love you so much, happy Dasera. He left, got scared of my voice. Okay, I think network is very difficult right now. So we have Viku here. I will get Viku online. Yeah, please keep adding your comments on the entire thing. Good. Oh, Viku has declared. Anyway, I think that's what. So nobody is there online with me. It's okay. It's a very thinking idea about the entire thing. So yeah, we have Kankani giving his answer from his side. I'll also one second. Rudra. Okay, we have Rudra. What all powerful names you people have. Rudra. So we have Rudra. I'm inviting Rudra online. And rest of you, please keep adding your comments on the entire thing, and then get ready for a nice personal gift reward from my side. We are only sending requests and nobody's coming online when I'm asking you to come. Kya baat hai? Thank you so much. Please keep adding a comment, writing a comment. Yes. Yeah, Viku.
Yes, sir. Just wanted to give a little more technical clarity to this contest.
Okay. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, so this contest, whatever we have done is on Instagram. So they can post an answer.
They can post an answer, no?
Yeah, they can post an answer on Instagram. If basically it is an video or an image, they are not, they will not be able to comment it on Instagram. So what they can do is they can post it on their profile as a story or as a post.
Okay.
So what you basically have to do is you just have to go to your profile, post it as a story or as a image that is in the feed, and you can tag Deepak the Inspiration, take that link and comment it back in the same live. So this will help us understand who all has commented or what all their answer is. So this is the qualification process.
So basically they have to go to their profile and write the answer there and post it to and tag it to the Inspiration, right?
Yes, sir. They can either they can either post a video, because a lot of people think they want to answer it in form of a video.
Okay.
So
you can also
they can either post a video or in image. Yes, sir. Or write and tag Deepak the Inspiration, take that link and comment in this live.
Okay. So that is what Viku has given all of you, too much of clarity on technical side. I will not repeat whatever he said. On the Facebook page also, to go and tell the same thing to all Facebook participants. Yes. So that is how. So please do share your answer on an image or a video link, or in answer by writing, and then tag it to go on your profile and do all this thing, then tag it to Deepak Inspiration and post it a comment or the story on the page, right?
Yes, sir.
Something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you for Viku giving all those nice and beautiful suggestion to all of us. And all of you, please, I think is an amazing story, amazing situation which all of you will go. Like this, I'll keep coming with some nice life-based situations which we all go through. Today, I kept the most simplest contest where all of you can participate. So do participate and be a part of the entire thing. And do keep writing and keep tuned into either 9 minutes motivation. And the most magical thing that can happen to your life is to be a part of Sampurna, the holistic well-being program, which happens on Monday night 9 o'clock for in English, and Thursday night 9 o'clock in Hindi. So that is the most amazing thing you can do for yourself, for your lifetime growth with me. And thank you for keeping on coming live and be a part of these live sessions with me whenever we call. So have a wonderful weekend, wonderful festivity, wonderful weather. Enjoy yourself and stay healthy, stay fit, and keep growing in life. Love you so much. You guys mean a lot to me. Bye bye. Here we go. See ya. Finish. Thank you.